Kia ora, and welcome to a quick Workspace walkthrough. This workspace was created by Greg Lawson, and it is called Accelerated Learning Literature Circles. This is adaptable for many different grades, and this is great because it provides an overview for a teacher and for a learner if they are new to literature circles or need a reminder how it works. It's also been differentiated by different groups, and there are pieces that are only for the teacher and some for the entire group. If your district or school does not subscribe to Hāpara Workspace, you can still use all of the resources in this workspace by clicking on the links. For example, if you want to look at how literature circles work, all you have to do is open the link and it will open for you. You can go through and you can make a copy and you will have your very own version of how literature circles work to use in your classroom. For those of you that do have Hāpara Workspace, you can click the copy button, and what this is going to do is this is going to copy this over to your very own workspace tab in your workspaces. And I'll just show, I've already made a copy of that, but I'll just show you what it looks like. I'll just go into my workspace tab, and now I own a copy of it. So here's my copy where I can add anything and I can change anything. I can change the names of the groups, I can change any of the links, and all I need to do that is to click the three dots. So what we have here is an introduction to what a literature circle is. We have how do you relate to your novel. We have roles and responsibilities for the groups. We have weekly literature circle meetings where the students would go in and add their own notes. We're going to open this one because this is a very valuable one. The students would go through, add who the group members are and what their roles are, and briefly describe what they did. And this all becomes visible to the groups and to the educator. We have how to do peer and self-assessment in a Google form. And then finally, once this literature circle is complete, feedback for the educator. We just love this because it is so student friendly. It will build executive functioning skills for the learners. It adds student agency, and it's a great way for the teacher to go in and differentiate by adding different students to different groups based on their learning levels, their reading levels, or however you want to group them. We hope that you enjoyed this, and if you have questions, please reach out.